Welcome to the final part of this webinar, where we will be looking at how to format our in-text citations and reference list entries. We'll be using our three previous examples of a book, a journal article, and a website. This is a quote from this particular book. If I wish to use this quote from the book in my assignment, I can format my in-text citation and my reference list entry in this way. There are two ways to format your in-text citation within the body of your work. Just make sure you include all the correct elements of author surname, year, and page number if it's a quotation. So from this example here, the first option is simply to include the in-text citation at the end of the quotation. The second option, if you have included the author's surname as part of your sentence, you simply include the year and page number in brackets after their name. The reference list entry then includes all the required bibliographic elements for the book. Our next example is our journal article. If we wish to use this quote from the journal article in an assignment, we can format my in-text citation and our reference list entry in this way. So you can see here that the format for our in-text citation is the same as that for a book. We simply include the author's surname, year of publication, and the page number of the quotation. The difference here is in the elements included in the reference list for a journal article. Next, we have an example of a website or web page with one author. If we wish to use this quote from the website in my assignment, we can format my in-text citation and our reference list entry in this way. You'll see that despite using quotation from the website, the in-text citation changes slightly. We simply include the author's surname and the year of publication. We don't need to include a page number as websites don't have page numbers. Looking at the reference list entry, you'll see that the elements have changed again. It's important to include the name of the online article or web page along with the URL, so it's easier to locate it on the website. This is our last example, and one that a lot of students struggle with. We have a website that has no obvious author and no date of publication. If we wish to use this quotation from this particular website in an assignment, we can format my in-text citation and our reference list entry in this way. For a website with no author and no date, the in-text citation contains the elements of the web page title and end.d. for no date. The title of the web page essentially acts in the same way as if we had an author's surname. When we jump to the reference list again, the web page title comes first, followed by end.d. in brackets and the words retrieved from and your URL or web page address. Please note, never include a URL or web address in an in-text citation. You always use either the author's surname or name of web page if no author is evident. So looking at our examples here, the left box illustrates the incorrect way to format an in-text citation for a website, and the right-hand side box illustrates the correct way. And finally, to finish up, here are some reminders concerning the APA referencing style. The APA referencing style requires an in-text citation and a reference list entry. The APA style uses a reference list, not a bibliography. The reference list should be arranged alphabetically by author's surname. Use an APA referencing guide. They are available in the library and on the library website. If you require help, just ask library staff. This is the end of the webinar. If you require any assistance or need help with APA referencing, email ast.library@dit.ie or ask in the library. Thank you.